Here's the simple way to open Demat account with Kedia Capital. Visit KediaCapital.com. Select Open a Trading Account. A sign-up box will appear. Fill in the basic information, and OTP will be sent to your number. Fill in the OTP in the provided box and click Now. The personal details form will be displayed. Fill it out as per the requirements, including your email, dependency, reference code. By selecting the terms and conditions, click on Register. An OTP will be sent to your email. Enter it in the OTP section and click Verify. Now, in the PAN section, fill in your PAN card details and date of birth. Again, accept the terms and conditions. Click on Submit. The PAN will be verified automatically. Now, in the Segment section, choose the trading segment between the available exchanges. You can also check the brokerage by clicking on View Brokerage. Proceed to payment by clicking on Pay. The payment gateway will pop up. Select your preferred payment system. Congratulations, you are ready to trade.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Read full disclaimer on www.kediacapital.com.